Logitech MK295 wireless mouse and keyboard combo with SilentTouch technology, full numpad, advanced optical tracking, lag-free wireless, 90% less noise, graphite. Tired of the constant clatter of your keyboard and mouse? Say hello to the Logitech MK295 wireless keyboard and mouse combo, a game changer for quiet, efficient work. With SilentTouch technology, you get the same satisfying typing and clicking experience with 90% less noise. Whether you're crunching numbers or tackling emails, the full numpad and 8 handy shortcuts keep productivity at its peak. No more tangled wires. This lag-free 2.4 GHz wireless combo connects in just 3 seconds, ensuring a smooth, clutter-free setup. Plus, with an impressive 36-month keyboard and 18-month mouse battery life, you can forget the hassle of frequent battery changes. Designed for durability, spill resistance, and ergonomic comfort, it's the perfect upgrade for your Windows or Chrome OS system. Brand name: Logitech. Color: black. Connectivity technology: USB. Special feature: wireless compatible devices. Laptop series: MK295. Item model number: 920009782. Hardware platform: PC. Operating system: Windows 10, 11 or later, Chrome OS, Windows 8, Chrome OS, Windows 7. Item weight: 1.6 pounds. Product dimensions: 20.08 x 6.22 x 1.81 inches. Power source: battery-powered, manufacturer: Logitech. About this item: innovative SilentTouch technology for same typing and clicking feel with 90% less noise. 1. Keyboard with 8 convenient shortcuts and full numpad for efficient data entry and easier navigation. Gives you one-touch access to play/pause, volume, mute, and the internet. Contoured and portable shape with smooth, precise clicking and pointing on most surfaces. And SilentTouch technology for quiet clicks. Connect in 3 seconds. 2. With a tiny receiver that delivers a strong, reliable 2.4 GHz wireless connection and 10 meters range for a clean, clutter-free desk area. Compatible with Windows or Chrome OS and easily connects for plug-and-play simplicity. Spill-proof design. 3. Durable keys and sturdy tilt legs with adjustable height. A 36-month keyboard and 18-month mouse battery life, plus on-off switches, means you can go for months without the hassle of changing batteries. 4. Plastic parts in MK295 graphite include certified post-consumer recycled plastic, 49% for the mouse and 71% for the keyboard. Product description: wireless keyboard and mouse combo that reduces over 90% of noise and maintains the same typing and clicking feel. Innovative SilentTouch technology for the same typing and clicking feel with 90% less noise. Keyboard with 8 convenient shortcuts and full numpad for efficient data entry and easier navigation. Contoured and portable shape with smooth, precise clicking and pointing on most surfaces, and SilentTouch technology for quiet clicks. Strong, reliable 2.4 GHz wireless connection with a 10 meters range and a tiny USB receiver for a clean, clutter-free desk area, compatible with Windows or Chrome OS and easily connects for plug-and-play simplicity. Spill-proof design, durable keys and sturdy tilt legs with adjustable height. A 36-month keyboard and 18-month mouse battery life, plus on/off switches to reduce the hassle of changing batteries. Gives you one-touch access to play/pause, volume, mute, and even your email. 1. Click and typing noise reduced by over 90% compared to Logitech MK270. Left click and typing dBA level, measured by an independent lab at 1 meter. 2. Tested by Logitech with 50 persons in Switzerland, 2022. 3. Tested under limited conditions, maximum of 60 milliliters liquid spillage. Do not immerse keyboard in liquid. 4. Battery life may vary based on user and computing conditions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.